Hey guys, what it is, what it always is. It's your boy, back on another beautiful sunny day. Beautiful. Nice temperature too. Mikey. I think it's gonna get a lot hotter by the end of the week, and my seasonal affective ain't gonna love it. But anyway, so just want to get on here. Wish everybody a manic Monday morning, afternoon. I hate Mondays, people. There is a reason there were songs and things written about Monday, because it is a bad day usually. But today, the daughter is coming home from school. Been down at college for a couple years, 2 years school, coming home, starting at a 4-year school in the fall. So we got about 3 months here of excitement and entertainment, and you guys will be right in the mix. It gets interesting. She has Asperger's, and I have bipolar, and sometimes we don't always mesh, more like butt heads. So, yeah, bipolar and Asperger's. I make a joke, a bipolar person, Asperger's person going to a bar. Somebody finish that for me, because that's pretty funny. If you know any bipolar people and Asperger's people, and they get together, you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, it'll be good to have her home. I haven't seen her for a couple months, actually. Didn't even get her for Easter, or the lovely Easter celebration, with mashed potatoes and, wait, the ham and scallop patties. So she missed a really bad one, and a really good one. So, anyway, so it'll be interesting to have her back. I have added a new WordPress site. I have been a busy little bee. So I will get you guys the details of how you can get to my WordPress site soon enough. It may be in my channel trailer where it talks about my... In fact, I think it is in my channel trailer where it talks about my social media platforms. I think I've already put it up there. I'm pretty sure I did. But I might have to update the information for it, though. I'll check that out. Anyways, I'll let you guys know. So, yeah, busy, trying to get prepared to submit an application for a job with Healthy Place. Wish me luck. Yeah, I'm excited. And I want to be looking good. So, we got that going on. But yeah, well, I've been wanting to start up a WordPress here for a while. And so the time has come. I'm going to write in more depth about issues there. It'll be kind of journal, kind of like this, more written journal, but I also will write about mental illness issues there. Check that out. I think we will call it good for now. I think it's about time for the boy to come out. And for us to go get free chicken nuggets at McDonald's. Yeah, man, buddy. Every time the local team wins, or gets 6 kills in a basketball game, Mikey gets 6 nuggets. With honey mustard and barbecue, will give it to me. So anyway, guys, hope you're good. Take care. Hope you're well. If you're not, you know what to do. Get yourself some help. I will talk to you soon. Peace out. Major Mike. Over and out.